Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm with...
Hi, I'm Jade. Hi, I'm Lisa.
And happy Bonfire Night everyone in the UK, because I know it's not the 4th of July, it's the 5th of November, but that's when we have our Bonfire Night.
Yeah.
Say happy Bonfire Night.
Happy Bonfire Night.
Happy Bonfire Night.
Jade, how did you shoot yourself?
What?
How did you shoot yourself?
I didn't.
You did?
You know what you did? You went.
Now we are playing football.
One nil.
Let's get down there now.
Now we are making eyeball lanterns with paint.
You look like I'm not doing it now. I don't want to be on you. Me? I don't want to have that on there. Wait, what about me? Oh, okay. On there. That's okay. Look behind you. The sprinkles. Oh, alright. Alright. Girl wants some fingers. My nails! Good, I'll get it on your phone. Yeah, you little shitbag. You like my red nipple?
That's what yours look like. That's what yours look like. It's like
Yeah, mine are massive.
Oh, do you know what Daisy did on Halloween? So, Finger, she knocked on the door and she said, give me some sweets.
Yeah. Daisy, do you still trick or treat at 15? I was out partying.
You was out partying?
Yeah, I was at a party.
That's not an eye, that's a red dot.
It's a dragon's eye.
That's not a dragon's eye, that looks like a weirdo.
It looks like a nipple, so I'm trying to change it. I'm trying to change it into a dragon's eye. Does that look sick though?
No,
I'm gonna do veins.
No, don't.
Why?
Don't.
It's a dragon's eye.
Yeah, but dragon's eye don't have wings.
Yes, they do.
Yes,
they do. Every eye has veins.
Yeah, but it's a dragon.
Every eye has veins.
Have you ever seen a fucking
especially
dragon?
a dragon.
It looks like Granddad's eye a bit.
Check that.
Check.
Check that.
Guys, I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding.
Just don't tell them. She's
Oh.
bleeding.
You said, I'm bleeding.
It looks like blood. Oh my god. Move your little rat. Move your little rat. I'm using this. You shut up. I love dancing. I love dancing. Yes! Look at this studio. I've always wanted to come here since we started 6 weeks ago. Look at this studio. I love studios. Guys. Who? Daisy.
Did you get something?
So right.
Should we do a dick?
Ew!
When we do it, like, should we do that, and then that, and then put some hairs on it? I mean,
There's hairs. Show yours, Tyler. I'll burn you.
I'm gonna burn you.
I'll burn you to cocoa!
Peter.
Guys.
What?
Oh my god!
bigger, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is really cool.
You don't get
Why
that
is it so smoky?
You don't get that many
Oh my god.
Hey?
Why is it so smoky though? Oh my god.
Come back.
Don't say that. Oh my god, why is it so loud? Why have we got loud ones?
I told you, the dead right, not a lamp post. Yeah.
Run, Lacey, run.
Come with you. I'll come with her.
Run, Tyler, run. He's gonna burn his hand. Tyler, draw your name.
Yeah. Give me sparkle lights, they're real. Right, give us a light off one of them. Give us a light, Kate. Kate, you've got to go out. Kate,
Oh, yeah.
you have that on as
Wait, I
well.
can't see the sparkler. Can't see it, let me get another one. Keep the camera straight though.
Yeah, Kate.
Have you done it?
I want
Yeah.
another.
Yeah,
Daisy,
Jade.
show us.
They get me another.
Here, right, hold it at the bottom. Here, you
Yeah.
Yeah.
don't like it, be like.
Come here then.
Yeah.
You don't like